Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my new video. I'm Syed Rizwan Gilani, a journalist based in Kashmir. Today I was in Badgam to cover the elections, by-elections. Purpose of making this video is to just share some takeaways with you. I visited several polling booths just to interact with elderly people, youngsters, and the first-time voters. Firstly, I'll just share with you most of the polling booths were set up in government schools which were functioning from rented accommodation. So as always, as my eyes remain on education department today as well, as I observed it that several polling booths were set up in those schools which are functioning or rather operating from rented accommodations. So I wasn't surprised at all because I know in Badgam and Srinagar, government is facing issues with regard to the availability of land. I met an elderly voter. He was, I think, in his 70s, and he said, "I'm first-time voter." He said, "I voted for the first time after 1992." He said, "All these leaders, they approach people, and after winning the elections, they disappear." The interesting conversation which I had today with two elderly people at Bemina. I met two people and they said this election is not about party, let be it People's Democratic Party or National Conference. And they were like, it's more about personal affiliation with the candidates, what we call as peer muridi in Urdu. So it was like कि एक मुरीद आता है अपने पीर के लिए वोट देता है irrespective of his affiliation with the party. They said they're least bothered about party affiliation, but what matters for them is their personal connection with their, they were not saying leader or candidate, personal affiliation and connection with their peer. So that made it very interesting. And you know what they said is, अगर आगा रुहुल्ला साहब यहाँ पे होते हैं तो 8 साल से बड़े बड़े जो भी लोग हैं, चाहे वो वोटर्स होते हैं ना होते, हर कोई आज पोलिंग बूथ पे होता है। और फिर तो मतलब ये तो फिर वन साइडेड कंटेस्ट होता। That was like something very interesting when they touched this angle कि it's not about party affiliation but it's more about this peer muridi. Then I asked in one of the persons कि अगर जब आप कह रहे हैं कि peer muridi यहाँ पे चल रही है तो अगर रहुल्ला साहब होते तो क्या होता? And they were मतलब दोनों का ये मानना था कि अरे फिर तो यहाँ पे कंटेस्ट ही नहीं होता, वो तो वन साइडेड गेम होती फिर रहुल्ला साहब के लिए। तो these were just some interesting conversation with voters. This is all for today. Thank you so much.